Now, walking past shuttered coffee shops here in Paris can make you rather nostalgic for the days when it was possible to drop in and have a cup of tea or a cappuccino on your way to work. Well, for people in Austria, that is a pleasure that can now be enjoyed once again as cafes and restaurants across the country have reopened their doors after a 2-month-long shutdown. Well, it's the same story in Berlin, as coffee shops and restaurants there reopen after several weeks of closure. However, it's not quite business as usual. Social distancing remains very much the order of the day. France 24's Nick Spicer is in the German capital, coffee in hand. Here's his update.
This is something that Berliners have been waiting for weeks to do, to have a coffee in an outside restaurant on the streets of Berlin. Things might look as they were before, but a lot has actually changed. For example, you have to keep 1.5 meters distance, social distancing, as before, between tables. Concretely, that means you'll get about half as many customers. What's more, rules can vary according to neighborhood. In some places, you have to sign into the restaurant, leaving your address and phone number so that authorities can track the spread of the virus. But overall, it's a relief for restaurant owners like this one.
We are happy again, especially that the virus hurt nobody in the neighborhood, he says, and we're happy to be open again.
For many Berlin restaurant owners, things are off to a relatively good start. You can't book a table for days in advance now, and the sun is out. One big thing is missing, however: tourists.
France 24's Nick Spicer reporting there from Berlin. Now, the US Health